popular contacts manufacturer is recalling several lenses in Canada over a defect which may cause visual disturbances. It affects specific types and lots of AccuView contacts, which you can see on your screen. Johnson & Johnson says some of the Max one-day multifocal contact lenses have micro bubbles. While not medically harmful, the company says they may cause visual disturbances, particularly in low light. Drinks such as water, soda, and beer sold in glass bottles contain more microplastics than those in plastic bottles. That's the surprising result of a study released today by France's Food Safety Agency. Researchers found an average of around 100 microplastic particles per liter in drinks in glass bottles, around 50 times higher than plastic or metal cans. One of the authors says the particles were the same composition as the paint on the caps of the glass bottles, possibly explaining the results. It's still not clear what, if any, effect the preponderance of microplastics has on human health. The fear of breast cancer returning is a very real fear among cancer survivors. But as Pauline Chan tells us, a new drug just approved promises to reduce the risk.
Nicole Macronia-Powell was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer 2 days before she was supposed to go on vacation in Mexico in 2023. She canceled her plans and began a grueling series of treatments.
So I did 8 rounds of chemotherapy, I did 4 rounds of Perjeta, and once I started my second round of chemotherapy, I started what would become 18 rounds of Herceptin. Shortly after finishing chemotherapy, I had surgery to remove 13 lymph nodes on my left side.
Her cancer is gone now, but the fear of cancer returning is always on her mind.
You always think about it. You hear about the rates of reoccurrence, and it's often metastasized at that point.
That's why the approval of ribociclib, also known as Kisqali, is so important.
When added to standard hormone therapy, Kisqali has been shown to significantly lower the chance of breast cancer recurrence in a broad population of patients with hormone receptor positive, HER2 negative, early stage breast cancer.
And Dr. Kaja Jerzak says that's a significant number of early stage breast cancer patients.
For those diagnosed with this type of disease, up to 1 in 3 women may experience a recurrence within 20 years of initial treatment. And unfortunately, often when the cancer comes back, it returns as metastatic disease, which is usually incurable. So it's really important to try to optimize therapies when we're at that curative state.
Provincial coverage for Kisqali is still being worked out, but Dr. Jerzak says a key benefit is that it's effective in a broad range of patients. Nicole finally did manage to vacation in Puerto Vallarta, and she is grateful to know there's now one more option available for patients like her to keep cancer at bay. Pauline Chan, CTV News.
Medical Watch is brought to you by Manukin Koster Denture Clinic.